what does it mean to become a client of Real Property Management Alamo? It's like asking me what my favorite book is. It's impossible to actually pinpoint because it's a spirit. It is a dead set obligation to every client that we have to treat every single property as if it was our own. Every management decision, renewals, delinquencies, people aren't paying their rent. It's not that they're not paying our client, we act as though if they're not paying us. So in that mindset that we take, there's absolutely zero tolerance for some items. We handle it in the utmost professional way, but ensure that we're also empathetic and sympathetic to every single situation. That's one way. Another way that sets us apart is communication. In this company, every single client, tenant, or vendor, we have a 4-hour rule for communication. If you text, email, call, you will get a response within 4 hours. Even if you don't get the problem resolved, we're going to acknowledge that you, the tenant, the vendor, the client, the neighbor, the HOA, it doesn't matter. Any communication that comes into this office, you're going to get acknowledgement of the request within 4 hours.